Hi, I'm Pat Mullen of Builders Site Protection, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install our popular toilet sheath temporary toilet protector. Using toilet sheaths has many benefits and makes a great impression on your customers. This can lead to increased referrals. Toilet sheaths are designed to keep your toilets clean and unused, so you won't have to replace it with an angry customer demanding a new and clean toilet. They're also reusable, and installation is fast, as I'll show you in a minute. The toilet sheath installs rather quickly. Just open up the bag, and then reach down to the bottom of the bag and grab the plastic straps. From there, you'll open it up, and you'll want to work from the back of the toilet forward. This makes it easier to get it on the back side of the toilet. Reach in, cover it up, and then there will be two small tabs on the bottom of the toilet sheath that you'll use to pull tightly around the base of the toilet. This holds it securely in place and also allows you to remove it and reuse it again if possible. The toilet sheath installs in a matter of minutes, as you can see. In addition to the standard toilet sheaths, we can offer custom toilet sheaths using your logo and name. These are available in minimum quantities of 2,500, so they're best used for larger builders and production builders. In order to purchase toilet sheaths or find out more information, please visit our website at www.buildsitepro.com, or feel free to call us anytime at 866-788-6886. We look forward to hearing from you.